The amazing feature of the One UI 8.5, if I tap the screen recorder, well, you can see that you can record full screen or partial screen, right? For example, if I select the partial screen and if I tap start recording, then actually you can adjust the screen. The thing you want to record, only that thing can be recorded as a screen recorder. This is the good thing that coming with the One UI 8.5. And if you go to set the alarm, if you tap the alarm, scroll down, if you tap it here, you can actually change the background. If I select one of the picture like this one, so whenever the alarm turn on, the video as a wallpaper with the alarm, you will see on your mobile phone. And video wallpaper, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, like as many you can keep the videos as a wallpaper on the lock screen. Making a video is not an easy job, and if you are getting help from my videos, if you want to appreciate my work, you can just like the video, keep sharing it with others. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, click or tap the subscribe button, click or tap the bell icon, click or tap the select all. Thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So developer finally started porting One UI 8.5 for the Samsung Galaxy mobile phone. Currently, you can see that the One UI version is 8.5 in A16. And the baseband version, you can see that kernel version and the build number, right? But what mobile I have in my hands, let me show. The ROM is actually ported from the Galaxy S25 FE, but this is not actually S25 FE. Let me show what mobile I have. So this is Galaxy A51 4G. Yes, you can see that. Galaxy A51 4G finally got One UI 8.5. Everyone was expecting that the One UI 8.5 may get released for the Note 10 Plus or the Note 20 Ultra, but it released for the A51 4G. Wow. I will definitely say that this ROM will be the best ROM for the Galaxy A51 mobile phone if developer or his team fix few bugs and the lagging. There is a little lag if you are using the ROM on the Galaxy A51 4G. Well, so far I checked the calling. The calling is working, but unfortunately the Bluetooth is actually not working right now. Well, I did not root the ROM. I have to root the ROM. If I install the Bluetooth patcher module, maybe the Bluetooth will start working. Well, right now Bluetooth devices is getting connected with the mobile phone, but the music if you want to play is actually not working via Bluetooth. The Bluetooth device is getting connected, but the music cannot be heard with the Bluetooth devices like the wireless hands-free or the earbuds. So about the camera application, well, the good thing is the camera application is actually working all the way fine. Yes, you can take pictures, you can record videos, you can record in 4K resolution. Well, the portrait mode is actually, yes, it is working fine. And the rear camera and the front camera, both are working fine. And all the modes with the rear camera and the front camera working fine. So I can see that there is no problem with the camera application with the current ROM A51 4G. Well, for the details, you have to read my video description. And so far, the things I check, the fingerprint scanner is actually not working. I hope it will get fixed with the another coming release. I hope. And one more thing, sometime the lock screen lag, like if you turn off the screen for little long time, and if you turning it on, sometime it will lag, it will stuck, and after like 1 or 2 or 3 seconds it will start behaving like the way it is right now happening. But it was not happening before. After I set the face unlocking, then sometime the lock screen lag. Well, you can see that, right? So this was the bug with the lock screen, but now you can see it is working fine. Hope it will get fixed with the another release. The face unlocking is working fine, but we have to keep the mobile phone little bit closer to the face so the face unlocking will be working. Gallery application working fine, and you can watch videos, you can check the pictures. The gallery application does not have any issues. The QS panel of the One UI 8.5. Well, One UI 8.5 is actually bringing the partial screen recording. Or if you tap to full screen, so it will record full screen. But if you tap the partial screen, tap start recording, it will take a little bit time. Then it will let you to record or let you to set the screen the way or the thing you want to record. There is no bugs with the screen recorder. Screen recorder is working all the way fine. The Galaxy AI feature are provided with this port. We have to log in Samsung account to use the Galaxy AI features. Well, I have both SIM card inserted in my mobile phone, and you can see that both SIM card is actually working. VO Wi-Fi is actually also working. Well, you have to convince me in comment section. Like you want to watch the tutorial video or you want to have a link. I will upload another video to make the tutorial video, and I will provide the link in that video also. But you have to convince me because the ROM is little bit buggy. So far, this is the best thing that developer finally started porting the One UI 8.5 ROM for the Galaxy mobile phone, and hopefully for the flagship mobile phone, the developer will also start working for that, like for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, S20 Plus, something like that. Do comments me and tell me about the One UI 8.5. If you like the video, do not forget to like the video. Keep sharing it with others. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, to stick with my channel to get the updates about the ROM, subscribe my channel because it is free, totally free. Thank you so much. See you again. Tata, bye bye.